Hey there, garden enthusiasts! Are you ready to transform your plot from good enough to glorious? If you've mastered the basic watering and weeding routine and you're itching to unlock the secrets of pro gardeners, then buckle up. This video is your roadmap to becoming an advanced home gardening guru, mastering the fundamentals, even for beginners. Before we jump into advanced techniques, let's not forget the bedrock of successful gardening, the basics. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete newbie, welcome. Getting sunlight, watering, and maintenance right is crucial. These golden rules apply to every single plant you grow. Understanding soil, the unsung hero. Now let's delve into something a bit more advanced. Soil composition. Think of soil as the foundation of your plant kingdom. Different plants have specific soil needs, so understanding what your soil is made of is key to unlocking its full potential. Invest in a soil test kit. It's an affordable way to gain valuable insights into your soil's nutrient levels and pH. With this knowledge, you can amend your soil accordingly, creating the perfect home for your plants to thrive. The power of organic gardening. Organic gardening is all the rage these days, and for good reason. It's a sustainable and eco-friendly approach that nourishes your plants while protecting the environment. Advanced home gardeners often embrace practices like composting to create nutrient-rich fertilizer, companion planting to deter pests naturally, and using organic methods for pest control. By saying no to harsh chemicals, you create a thriving ecosystem that benefits your plants, your family, and the planet. Building a vibrant tapestry, diverse planting. Diversity is the spice of life, and it applies to your garden too. As you move beyond the basics, consider expanding your plant selection. A diverse garden with a wide variety of species not only looks stunning, but it also promotes biodiversity and can help keep pests and diseases at bay. Fine-tuning your techniques, the art of observation. The more you garden, the more in tune you'll become with your plant's specific needs. As an advanced home gardener, you'll be a keen observer, paying close attention to factors like watering frequency, pruning techniques, and how your soil fertility impacts growth. By fine-tuning these techniques based on your observations, you can optimize plant health and maximize your yields. Unlocking the secrets of seasoned gardeners. There's a wealth of knowledge waiting to be shared in the gardening community. Experienced gardeners are a treasure trove of tips and tricks. From companion planting strategies to crop rotation for healthy soil, or using mulch to retain moisture, there's always something new to learn. Stay curious, ask questions, and don't be afraid to experiment in your own garden. The joys of vegetable gardening, from seed to supper, growing your own vegetables is an incredibly rewarding experience. Advanced home gardeners often dedicate a section of their plot to cultivating a wide variety of vegetables, from juicy tomatoes and crisp peppers to leafy greens and delicious root crops. With careful planning and attention to detail, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest of fresh, homegrown produce throughout the year. Imagine the satisfaction of serving your family a salad bursting with flavor, knowing you nurtured those ingredients from seed to supper. Gardening, an art and a science. Gardening is as much an art form as it is a science. As you explore advanced techniques, remember to embrace the creative side of gardening. Experiment with different plant combinations, design stunning layouts, and incorporate aesthetic elements that reflect your personality. Your garden oasis awaits. Now that you're equipped with these advanced home gardening techniques, it's time to take action and transform your plot. Here's your call to action. Head over to the comment section below and share your favorite advanced gardening tip. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more awesome gardening content coming your way. And most importantly, get out there and start creating the garden of your dreams. Happy gardening, everyone.